Hey, aloha everybody, and welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks. Today is show number 155, and you can find us at beachwalks.tv. So, I'm at the gas station. It's 9:45 at night. And I've been at my desk since 6:20 this morning, except for around 8 o'clock left to go take Jerry and Ellie from budget travel in Waikiki to the airport. And what a day it's been. I realized today that it's Mercury retrograde, which would explain my car and technology problems of the other day. And I just realized that, this is a day in the life of Rocks. Very, very busy, and as much as I'd love to have been at the beach today doing a show, we're both going to have to live without one today. So life happens, learning to live with limits and boundaries and still be able to, at the end of the day, say life is good. That's really what aloha is about for me. So price of gas, $3.21.9 a gallon for regular. And I think that was my car problem, actually, is that I had some bad gas. Because a few people mentioned that to me, and it surely makes sense. My car's been running fine and wonderful ever since. And it's going to run even better now with a fresh tank of gas in it. So if you'd like to Skype me, you can Skype at Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to call, the number is 949-544-1456. And you can probably tell how tired I am. I'm going to go home, edit this show, hopefully get it up by midnight. And I'll see you tomorrow. Aloha.